What's up, guys? This is Easy Phone Tricks, and here's another awesome phone hack for you. Did your iPhone suddenly switch to dark mode and you're wondering how to get back to light mode? Don't worry, this step-by-step tutorial will show you exactly how to enable light mode again on your iPhone in few seconds. Make sure you watch to the end without skipping any parts, because if you do, you are going to be missing some very important parts. I forgot. My phone was stuck in dark mode few moments ago. But wait, why is my iPhone stuck in dark mode? Don't panic. I will show you how to switch it back to light mode in seconds. So, without further notice, let's jump straight into our phone screen and then let me demonstrate how it works so that you guys can learn from this. Okay, so make sure you look for settings on your phone, and then I think here is the settings, so you have to click on it once. I hope you guys can see what I was saying earlier on, that my phone was stuck in dark mode. But in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to switch it to light mode. So let's switch it to the light mode. Okay, so as it was switched from the dark mode to the light mode, you guys can see a very big difference. First the screen was dark, and then now the screen was light and bright. And another one thing, when you put it on automatic and when you use your phone and you are going anywhere and then it's sunset, it's gonna be taking it back to the dark mode again. That's why it's very important when you are doing this, you have to put the automatic off so that it doesn't go back to the dark mode again, or else you begin to struggle with it anymore. So let's take it back to, let's off the automatic. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Another one thing, if you want to be doing this, we have another easy way. If you find this very long and you want a very short process, I'm going to be showing you that one too. So let's go back to our home page. Okay, so right now let's click on the settings again. And now we are not going to be looking for the display and then brightness, but now we are going to be looking for control center. So we can see the control center from my screen. It's under the general, so let's click on it right there. I hope you guys can see. From my apps that have been selected, you can see I have the dark mode on right now. So let's take it out and remove it from there. Let's come back to the ones I've not selected. So as you can see, is right here, and you make sure you click on the plus sign close to the dark mode. You click it once. When you click it, we will go back to our home screen again, This time around, we are going to be swiping our screen down. When you swipe the screen, make sure it appears over here in the cycle, and then one side of it is dark, one side of it is white. That's it. So when you want to switch from the dark mode to the light mode, you're just gonna be clicking it just once. I hope you guys can see. So what I just did right now was switching from the light mode to the dark mode, and then when I click on it again, you guys can see that the screen brightness just increased a little bit. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe for more quick iPhone fixes. Thank you.